Hey friends, we are gearing up for our first week back with everyone. It's going to be an awesome week. We are on week 9 and we are starting our organ systems this week. We're first starting with the human body circulatory system. As always, start right here with your week 9 instructional video. This is where I will be able to give you some tips and tricks to get through your module easily. Then do your attendance for us each day. Then you're going to see your content notes. This is going to be super detailed. And if you click on your content notes and video, you're going to see a video link, and this is going to be an introduction to the circulatory system. Then you're going to see a circulatory system slide presentation. This slide presentation is going to have a lot of information that is going to help you be super successful throughout this entire module. If you click on that, it's going to pop up, and just like some of our past slideshows, if you come down here to the bottom left right here, you will click through this slideshow by clicking on that arrow. Then you'll click again, and it will come up step by step so that you can learn about different structures and functions of our circulatory system. Be sure that you are clicking right here to get to your content notes, and that when you click submit, remember it's saving a copy in your drive, and you can use this on your assessment at the end of the week. So the better the notes take, the easier your assessment should be. Okay, after you do your content, which please try to spend time on this. I know it seems like you're not having a lot of work to do and you're getting done early, but I promise if we spend a lot of time on these content notes in the videos, you're going to overall do better and learn more of this content. It is super important. Then you're going to do your exit ticket. This will unlock after you click submit on your content notes. Then you're going to have an activity that's going to unlock after you go through your exit ticket. Then, of course, we have our assessment. We only have these 4 assignments this week because it is a short week. Yay, we did not have school on Monday. Then we always put in some fun brain breaks and our social and emotional activity. If you get done early, go ahead and do these. It's an awesome way to have a little break for your brain and have some fun. All right, guys, message your teacher if you have any questions. We are here to help you. And remember, if you are working on your grade redemption, we have one more week for that. Alrighty, guys, have an awesome week.